Welcome back to our channel. Day 5, Memorial Day. We were in beautiful Seaside, Oregon, about to embark on an epic day hike on the Tillamook Head Trail. If you love coastal views, lush forests, a bit of adventure, stick around because this trail has it all. We were starting our hike at the Trailhead, so make sure to pack plenty of water, snacks, and don't forget your camera. There are plenty of incredible photo ops along the way. The Tillamook Head Trail is about 6.3 miles out and back. It's a moderate hike with some elevation gain, so be prepared for a good workout. There are several spots where you can catch a breathtaking view of the Pacific Ocean. Right from the start, you were greeted with this beautiful, lush green forest. Okay, hiking day, last day of our trip.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, it's fun. Walking in a little bit of mud.
Kids are doing pretty good considering they've never really been hiking. We never hike back home. It's too darn hot and not shaded. Good job, Avery. Okay, Emily's turn. You might just have to dip her over.
Your turn.
Okay, Avery. So considering we never hike, is this fun out in the forest, in the woods? Yeah? What do you like about it?
I like it when I hear the sounds of birds.
The birds, it is a beautiful sound. Fresh air. So we didn't really make it all the way up to the top. We couldn't really figure out how much further to go. Kids are kind of tired, or kid. Still nice trail. So I'm glad we went and we're going back down because I think they're done.
And we're back where we started. What a fantastic hike. If you enjoyed this adventure, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for joining me today. And until next time, happy trails!